sisters, this is Prakriti. Today we are going to do a makeup tutorial. Actually this is just an eye makeup tutorial and not a full face makeup. Okay, this video is just going to be a basic tutorial for the eye makeup. As you can see, it is for the beginners and I'm not going to use any tools for doing my makeup like eye makeup. All I'm going to use are my fingers. And one quick note is that if you are a beginner, you don't need to invest in expensive products. You can do your makeup, any makeup, eye makeup or full face makeup with affordable products also. I myself am not using any expensive product here, and I am a beginner too. That's why I prefer budget friendly products rather than using expensive ones. Okay, done with all that. Let's get in the video. Alright, so here I am with my products. All these are here, and I'm going to use this mask palette to do my makeup. And I got this from Flipkart at around 350 to 400. I'll give the link in my description. You can go check it out there. Okay, so today we will do two makeup looks, eye makeup looks. One is a very basic one with just one color. That also gives a really pretty look. And the second one is a mixture of colors, or say in a gradient form. Both of them are here. I will be doing these two looks today, and yeah, so let's get started. The only tool that we'll need here is a sellotape and a scissor. Cut out a piece like this and stick it to your or you ran out of it, you can always use your eyeliner. All you have to do is take your eyeliner. Do not remove the excess, it's fine because you're using it as a mascara. Apply it on your lashes. Now take this and so that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed, and if you do, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel. Also comment down below if you liked my first attempt. If you do, please make sure to share this video, and yeah, keep supporting and keep loving.